right, we're going to be going over homework from chapter 1, lesson 8. In class, we already narrowed down the dimensions, so all you have to do now is multiply. So 24 times 4 is going to be 4 times 4 is 16. Regroup the 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 9 is 96. How many cubes can Tom's box hold? 96. Now we need to back up though. Is Tom's box big enough? We need to make sure we reread this box here. A 5th grade class raised money to buy math tools to send to other schools. Tom, Ed, and Anu are in charge of packing unit cubes. They want each student to receive a box with at least 100 cubes. Tom, Ed, and Anu start packing the boxes. They wonder if each box will be big enough to hold 100 cubes. So is this box big enough? No, because it's 96. So 36 times 3, regroup that 1, 108 cubes. So is that one big enough? Yes, because it's greater than 100. 21 times 5, 105. So it's big enough. So yes. All right, write parentheses to make each equation true. So this side needs to equal 16. So this is where I'm going to have to do some guessing and checking. So if I start with 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 is 8 times 3. Well, that would be too much. That'd be 24. So let's try the next way. 2 times 3 first. 2 times 3 first is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Not big enough there. So just guess and check. What's 3 plus 2? It's 5 times 2 plus 6. So rewrite each time, right? Well, what's 2 times 5? It's 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 is equal to 16. All right, 22 times 2 is 44. So here I know I'm going to have to get to a really large number. So I think I'm going to save the multiplication for last. 16 minus 5 is 11 times 4. Well, I know 11 times 4 is 44. So that works there. Woo, this one looks like there's a lot of steps here, but we can do it. 10 times 16, well, 1 times 16 is 16. Add the 0, 160. So I got to think about how am I going to do this to get to 160. Wonder what 100 plus 220 is. That would be 320. Then divide that by 2. So we might not know how to do this kind of division yet. Well, 2 goes into 3 one time. Bring down the 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Bring down the 0. Or bring down the 0 in a minute, sorry. It'd be 160. So parentheses need to go here. Now finally, 128 plus 28 is what? 156 is what I need it to equal to. So maybe if I put parentheses here, 56 times 3, 168 minus 4 is 164, so not quite. So let's try 56 minus 4. 56 minus 4 is 52, and 52 times 3, 156. So make sure your parentheses are pretty clear there on all of those. Make sure you erase any of the old parentheses so we know which answer you selected.